So what does a divination stand for? Meaning that I have a specific question. I want to know, is it a good direction to go to? Is it a good decision to go into? Is this investment going to be good or not? Or perhaps I have a certain relationship, I have a certain problem. Can I, based on this chart, to tell me certain answers so that I can find a solution for it? Yes, Qimen can help you. Technically, we call it Qi Men Dun Jia, divination. So let's go on. Assuming that you already upload the Qimen and then you install it already, and you go and plot a chart basing on the time that you want to ask the question. So for example, now you're in year of 2023 or 2024. This year now, at that moment, you want to ask a question. So example, somebody will ask you, can we invest in this particular project? Then at that moment, if you are very unsure, you just want to ask the question. So you ask the question mentally over here and ask, okay, should I invest my time into this particular investment? Then you go and plot the chart itself, and then something similar will happen in the chart that you see over here. Of course, the symbols will be very different compared to what it is, but let's take it as it is. And from there, what happened is that the first thing we need to do is, basing on the divination sector, we have to see the answer. So the answer, we always look at the hour stamp. That means the hour Qimen chart. So here, this particular Sing, they call it the Chinese correct Sing, and we need to find where is this Sing located. So the Sing is located in this box number 3. In all the 9 boxes over here, we look at where is the box number 3. So all the symbols over here tell us the situation, tell us the answer, tell us a hint, tell us a certain clue to say that, maybe it's good or maybe it's not good. So let's explore further. Looking at box number 3, there's a darkness. Darkness means something that is hidden, something that is you cannot see. So if you were to ask whether this thing can be invest, something that is hidden, so does it spell good? Not necessarily true. And then there's a blockage, there's an obstruct, means that there will be hurdles in front of you if you want to invest. And then there's this particular thing called a bandit. In Chinese, we call tianpeng. Tianpeng, bandit means that this is going to be losing big money, huge amount of money they're going to make. And then at the same time, if you talk about Sing itself, Sing stands for mistakes. That means if you were to go into it, likelihood you will make some mistake in it. And then below, there is this particular symbol called the Kui. Kui means something that is muddy, something that is shady, something that is not clean. So which means that if I were to combine the information in the symbol within this box number 3, it doesn't spell anything good. So from there, I can make certain basic decisions to say, okay, based on this investment proposal, I may not want to go into it. You see, so this is a very brief overview of what this Qimen can do. But of course, the real situation of this Qi Men Dun Jia is more complex than that. Whatever I show you is only the step 1. We still have another 8 steps to go. You see, so just an overview of what this our Qimen is all about.